Children, today we will discuss about approximation. What is approximation? Approximation. See, if we say function from D to R, where D is a domain and R is a real number, D is subset of R, be given function and let y is equal to f of x be a function. On this function, let delta x denote a small increment in x. The corresponding increment in y will be what? If x becomes x plus delta x, then y becomes what? Y plus delta y. Then, so our function is what? Our y is equal to f of x. What is our y plus delta y? Y plus delta y is f of x plus delta x. Now, y plus delta y minus y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So you are getting delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. And this is our delta y. Now, differential of x denoted by dx, that is dx. dx is approximately equal to delta x. Differential of y denoted by dy. dy you can write it as dy by dx into, that means f dash x into dx. And dy by dx into, that is delta x becomes what? Dx. Dx is become. So if in case dx is equal to delta x is relatively small, dx means change in x, delta x also change in x only, relatively small when compared with the x, dy is a good approximation of delta. So uh, only one thing is that this dy is approximately what? Dy is approximation of good approximation of delta y. That only. This is only thing you have to think. But delta y becomes dy. This is the approximation. Or delta y by delta x, that becomes what? Dy by dx. This is same as our first principle problem. I think you are remembering first principle problem in differentiation. Same method only we are following here. You see, using differential approximate root of 36.6. So we take y is equal to root x. Now, root x means x should be perfect score. So take x is equal to 36. Delta x is equal to what? 0.6. Now, previously I told you y is equal to root x. What is y plus delta y? Y plus delta y is equal to root of x plus delta x. Therefore, then subtract delta y is equal to root of x plus delta x minus root x. Same thing only here, delta y is equal to root of x plus delta x minus root x. So that is what a root of 36.6 minus root 36. That means root of 36.6 minus 6. So we can write it as root of 36.6 is equal to 6 plus delta y. So, but dy is equal to what? Dy I told you, dy is equal to, you can write dy by dx into dx. Dx is approximate delta x. So, we can dy by dx into delta x. So, dy is equal to dy by dx into delta x. So, 1 by 2 root x into delta x is 0.6. That is 1 by 2 root 36 into 0.6. What is it as 0.05. So, approximate value of root actually this is our delta y. Delta y is the dy is the approximate value of delta y. So, instead of delta y you put what as 0.05. So, approximate value of root of 36.6 is what? 6.6 plus 0.05. That is it 6.05. This is the answer. Now, same question next type 25 raised to 1 by 3. So, what is a perfect cube near 25, 27? Take x is equal to 27. delta x is equal to what? 27 plus minus 2 only 25. So delta x is equal to minus 2. So same only, but y is equal to what? X raised to 1 by 3. Y plus delta y is equal to what? X plus delta x raised to 1 by 3. Now y plus delta y minus y, that means delta y. Delta y is equal to x plus delta x raised to 1 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3. X plus delta x is what? X is 27. Delta x is minus 2. That is 25 raised to 1 by 3 minus 27 raised to 1 by 3. So actually 27 raised to 1 by 3 means 27 is what? 3 cube. So 25 raised to 1 by 3 minus 3. So delta y is equal to, what is the delta y is equal to 25 raised to 1 by 3 minus 3. So 25 raised to 1 by 3 is what? Delta y plus 3 or 3 plus delta y. Now dy is equal to what? Dy by dx into delta x. That means 1 by 3 x raised to, x raised, y is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 means what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 1 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 by 3 into x raised to minus 2 by 3. So that is equal to what? 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3 into delta x. So 1 by 3 x raised to 2 by 3 into delta x is minus 2. So the x is what? 27. You substitute, then you are getting minus 2 by 27. Minus 2 by 27 is minus 0.074. Therefore, approximate value of 25 raised to 1 by 3 is what? 3 plus delta x is what? Minus 0.074. So 2.926. Now, find the approximate value of f of 3.02 where f of x is given. So you take x is equal to 3, delta x is equal to what? 0.02. So f of 3.02 means f of x plus delta x. What is it? 3 into x plus delta x the whole square plus 5 into x plus delta x plus 3. So that becomes, this is our f of x plus delta x. And you know y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. And y plus delta y is equal to what? F of x plus delta x. So delta y is equal to what? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay. So f of x plus delta x is what? F of x plus delta y. F of x plus, what is our delta y? What is delta y? Delta y means dy. Dy is equal to what? Dy by dx into delta x. Actually, dy by dx is what? First derivative, that is f dash x into delta x. So f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Now f of 3.02 is equal to, so what you can write? This you expand, then collect like this: 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 plus 6x plus 5 into delta x. Okay, the other term will be the other term is arranging. So you can write it as what? 3 into 3 squared plus 5 into 3 plus 3 plus 6 into x is 3 delta 5 delta x is 0.02. So 27 plus 15 plus 3 plus, like that you are calculating. So what is the calculation? 45.46. Okay. Now find the approximate change in the volume V of cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 2%. So you know volume of cube is what? V is equal to x cube. Now dV is equal to what? You can write it as dV by dx into delta x. So always remember dy is equal to dy by dx into delta x. This formula only we are applying everywhere. So dV by dx is 3x squared into delta x. 3x squared into 0.02. So what is it? 0.06 x cube. So approximate, this is dV. dV means change in volume. Change in volume is what? 0.0 x cube meter cube. Okay. Now, if the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 centimeter with an error of 0.03 centimeter. I think in physics you have studied about screw gauge and the vernier caliper. There error will be there. That will be. Find the approximate error in calculating its volume. So you take R is equal to 9, delta R is equal to 0.03. So the delta R is error. Now volume of sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is dV by dr? 4 pi 4 by 3 pi into r cube is what? 3 r squared. So 3 cancel. So what is it? 4 pi r squared. That is dV by dr. Now we have to find out the change in volume. So dV is equal to dV by dr into delta r. dV by dr is what? 4 pi r squared into delta r. So 4 pi into r is what? 9. So 9 squared into 0.03. So 9.72 pi centimeter. So approximate error in calculating volume is what? 9.72 pi centimeter. This is the way we are calculating approximation. Therefore, dy by dx into delta x is equal to fourth root of 255 minus fourth root of 256 is what? 4. Delta dy by dx is what? 1 by 4 into x raised to minus 3 by 4 into delta x is equal to fourth root of 255 minus 4. 1 by 4 into 256 raised to minus 3 by 4 into delta x. What is delta x? Delta x is minus 1. Delta x is minus 1 is equal to fourth root of 255 minus 4. What is 256 raised to minus 3 by 4? So 4 raised to 4 raised to minus 3 by 4. That is 4 raised to minus 3. 4 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 4 cube. 1 by 4 cube is what? 1 by 64. So 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 64 is equal to fourth root of 255 minus 4. So therefore fourth root of 255 is equal to minus 1 by 256 plus 4. So what is it? 1023 by 256. This is the approximate value. Okay. So this is the way we are finding out the approximate value. I will give some problem for homework. Square root of 37, cube root of 65 and fourth root of 80 and square root of 0.037. These are the questions you have to do as homework. Okay, thank you for listening. We will see tomorrow. Okay, bye.